In late April of this year, Indian officials in plain clothes raided the Bengaluru offices of Byju's, seizing laptops. The authorities publicly linked the education technology startup with possible foreign exchange violations. The firm's eponymous founder and chief executive, Baiju Ravindran, has apparently broken down in tears defending his company. Reports said that Ravindran had been in crisis mode for months. Apart from the raid by India's financial crime fighting agency, his once high-flying tutoring startup failed to file its financial accounts on time. Several US-based investors accused Byju's of hiding $500 million, prompting lawsuits. On Tuesday, Process NV, one of the company's earliest investors, said that it had given up its board seat because of poor governance and disregard for directors' advice. Byju's and Ravindran have denied wrongdoing. Without easy access to global capital, companies are now facing greater scrutiny over corporate governance, jeopardizing India's quest to pull even with the US and China as the tech capital of the world. Ravindran's rise from a private tutor to the leader of a $22 billion company captivated global investors, including Sequoia Capital, Blackstone Inc., and Mark Zuckerberg's foundation. During the pandemic, Ravindran cornered a majority of the EdTech market in India. But after classrooms reopened, concerns about Byju's finances pricked at the firm's reputation. Investors questioned why Ravindran delayed hiring a chief financial officer for years and acquired more than a dozen companies across the world at breakneck speed. Scores of employees have either left or been fired. Board members have resigned, and many teaching centers are nearly empty. Ravindran supporters attribute missteps to the enthusiasm and naivety of an inexperienced founder who grew too quickly. Critics said that he acted recklessly by withholding information about finances and failing to rigorously audit accounts. In India's startup world, many see Byju's as the highest profile example of what happens when a business scales one of the fastest growing economies during boom but fails to plan for a bust.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.